Day number 2. Started up way easier today. Although it's like 30 degrees difference today too. We've got way less chooch today too. That's what a world of difference 30 degrees makes. You can really see why we call her Helga now. Look at all those things. Oh my god. The contribution code came back. It doesn't seem to be running any different though, so I don't know. Hi-ho, Silva! Away! We're gonna have to give her a bath here soon. Still running. -0 on the chooch. Near the fucking bit. Look at that. It just jiggles around. .60, no blow. Thank you. I don't know about that. Not very much at all. That's been there a hot second. This thing is likes to get pretty loose. I need to replace it. You don't need to worry about a brake reservoir where we're going, boys. Ah, majestic. We put some miles on her today. Starts right back up too, boys. If anybody can give me some insight on what the contribution code means, I know I need to do some tests, give you some data afterward after I do those tests, but like, is it because it was backfiring whenever I was trying to start it this morning? I don't know at this point. Like this video! Subscribe! And have a great day. You deserve it. We also seem to have another little parrot. This one's Shadow. Shadow boy. Hi there. Have a good day.